Hey there, friends. Let's talk refrigerators. Not the most glamorous appliance, but definitely one of the most essential. Whether you are meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or just need a cold soda after a long day, a good fridge makes life easier. And if you're looking for something reliable, space saving, and stylish for your home, apartment, office, or even your garage, you're in the right place. Today, I've rounded up 3 of the best refrigerators for home use in 2025. These models pack functionality, modern features, and great value into sleek designs. If you find this video helpful and informative, do like and share it, and please subscribe to the channel for more such helpful videos. You'll find all the links in the description box and the pinned comments below. Now, let's check the products out. First up, we have the Bangson 7.7 cubic feet refrigerator with top freezer. Now, this one's perfect for small spaces like apartments, offices, or kitchens that don't have room for a full size fridge. But don't let the size fool you. You're still getting a separate freezer compartment up top, which is super convenient for frozen meals, ice cream, or storing meats. What stands out here? It has 7 adjustable temperature settings, so whether you are loading it with fresh produce or beverages, you can fine tune the cooling just the way you like. Inside, the crisper drawer keeps fruits and veggies fresh longer, and with removable glass shelves, it's easy to customize the space for taller items or clean up spills. The stainless steel finish also gives it that modern upscale look, definitely a win for the price and footprint. This one's ideal for studio apartments, offices, or anyone looking for compact refrigeration without sacrificing functionality. Next, let's look at the Upstream 7.7 cubic feet refrigerator with freezer. Another compact double door fridge, but this one packs in a bit more flexibility. This model features an adjustable thermostat, so you can dial in your preferred cooling range depending on what you're storing. The reversible door swing is another smart touch, perfect if you're working with a tricky corner or tight kitchen layout. What I like about this one is the large capacity for the size. You're getting a pretty spacious freezer, and the fridge section comes with adjustable shelves and a fruit vegetable drawer to help you organize everything efficiently. The door bins are also generously sized, easily holding tall bottles or juice cartons. It's a reliable choice if you want a dedicated freezer compartment without jumping to full size models. This one is ideal for domes, small families, or anyone needing a secondary fridge in the garage or basement. If you're ready to go big, let's talk about the Coolmore RSFR22 22.5 cubic feet stainless steel fridge. This one is a full size side by side refrigerator that's all about space and modern style. It's a great pick for families or anyone who loves to cook and need serious storage. The first thing you will notice is the sleek stainless steel exterior and the clean professional look. It has a digital temperature control panel right on the front, making it easy to monitor and adjust your settings. Inside, it's loaded with adjustable spill-proof glass shelves, large gallon door bins, and multiple drawers to organize your produce, deli items, and frozen goods. The freezer section is equally spacious, with plenty of room for bulk buys or long-term food storage. What I really appreciate is that it's energy efficient for its size. So while you're getting a powerhouse fridge, it won't wreck your electric bill. This one is ideal for large households, home chefs, or anyone who wants a stylish, spacious fridge as the centerpiece of their kitchen. So whether you are outfitting a cozy apartment, adding a backup fridge to your garage, or upgrading your family kitchen, there's something here for everyone. The Bangson is compact and functional for everyday use. The Upstream adds flexibility and smart storage in a small frame, and the Coolmore is your go-to for size, power, and premium features. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're leaning towards. And if you've got questions, I'm always down to help out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more smart product picks coming your way in 2025. Catch you in the next one. Bye.